All right, let's dive right into this explainer and uncover what is essentially a massive digital heist happening right under our noses on YouTube. See, there's this new hidden economy operating in the shadows, and it is actively siphoning away audience attention and real money. And the craziest part, it's built entirely on zero-effort automation and a whole lot of deception.
To really grasp the absurd scale of this operation, just think about the number 1 billion. That's over 1 billion views stolen by a single fake channel. We aren't talking about small-time spammers getting a few hundred clicks here. We're talking about massive syndicates operating at a scale that literally eclipses major television networks, and it's entirely powered by soulless automation.
So here is our roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The AI slop invasion. 2. The counterfeit content economy. 3. The threat to creators. 4. YouTube strikes back. And 5. Proving human authenticity. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The AI slop invasion. We really need to start by identifying exactly what is invading the platform right now.
Let's be totally clear, this isn't just low-quality content. We're talking about absolute gutter sludge. It's mass-produced, automated video generated entirely by machines with literally zero human oversight. The script? AI. The voiceover? AI. The random gameplay footage playing in the background? You guessed it, AI. The people running these channels aren't even watching the content they publish. It is just an automated assembly line of garbage.
And these digital counterfeiters are smart about it. They aggressively target very specific, highly clickable niches to trick the algorithm and hijack the audience. They're churning out completely fake revenge stories, totally fabricated historical accounts of World War II, made-up Wild West Native American tales, and just super generic creepypastas. They basically prey on our innate human desire for storytelling, but they replace actual narrative art with these algorithmic hallucinations.
And the volume? It's industrial. Some of these automated channels are pumping out up to 10 videos every single day. Just pause and think about that for a second. Even a dedicated full-time human creator working around the clock would struggle to produce one truly high-quality, deeply researched video a week. But these channels, 10 a day. There is absolutely no limit to how many times these slop creators can just hit generate to pump out more crap.
Section 2. The counterfeit content economy. Now we get to the motive behind all this, which is, of course, a massive payout.
One of these so-called creators was actually caught bragging on Twitter about pulling in a staggering $27,000 in a single month from pure automated garbage. Tens of thousands of dollars, handed over to someone who literally didn't do a single minute of actual creative work. And this is a zero-sum game, right? That is real money drained directly from a finite advertising pool. Every dollar stolen by an AI is a dollar taken straight from the pockets of genuine creators who rely on it to survive. To cover their tracks, these syndicate channels actually flat-out lie to their audience. They'll claim that a small, dedicated human writing team crafts their daily uploads. It's a really manipulative psychological trick. Because if the audience believes there's a hardworking team behind the scenes, they're way more forgiving of the weird, uncanny nature of the videos. It builds this completely false parasocial relationship, built on a total fabrication. And the horrific reality is that the lie works. Another channel exposed in our source material racked up over 600 million total views. Hundreds of millions of human attention spans totally hijacked by a script that was generated in 3 seconds by ChatGPT. The sheer scale of this counterfeit economy is just breathtaking. Section 3. The threat to creators. Let's look at how this creates an existential crisis for the platform and completely punishes real artistry.
What we are witnessing right now is a complete market failure. The economic incentives on the platform are just entirely broken. On one side, you have genuine creators spending days researching, filming, and editing, pouring their souls into original thought, only to face totally variable, uncertain income. Meanwhile, a slop creator can generate tens of thousands of dollars with literally zero effort. When automation pays exponentially more than actual hard work, the whole creator economy begins to collapse.
It really begs the question, why make art when slop pays more? If YouTube continues to reward automated sludge over original content, it is dangerously close to telling its best creators to just give up and make slop themselves. Imagine being a hardworking creator and seeing a fake channel brag about a $27,000 payout. The psychological toll is massive. Why would you ever put in the effort to make original content when the platform essentially says, hey, we pay the most for zero-effort garbage? If this isn't stopped, human artistry will inevitably be drowned out by AI sludge. Section 4. YouTube strikes back. Thankfully, the sheriff is finally arriving in the form of YouTube's Inauthentic Content Policy. Now, the platform's strategy here isn't necessarily to ban or delete the videos outright, but rather to completely cut off the financial incentive to make them. According to the source, YouTube doesn't actually care if you want to use ChatGPT to write a silly story and upload it for fun. Have at it. But the very second you try to monetize that mass-produced content, you violate their policy. By attacking the wallet instead of the video file, YouTube is trying to starve this slop economy of its oxygen.
And the absolute irony here is just delicious. Because YouTube has been aggressively ratcheting up this demonetization policy, we now have these digital robbers crying on Twitter. They have the absolute gall to complain that their ill-gotten thousands were snatched back. One user was complaining about losing $8 grand, another whined about losing $27 grand, claiming they were mistakenly flagged. Come on, it wasn't a mistake. They were caught. I literally have zero sympathy for them.
The cool thing is, you can actually help clean up the platform too. While you can't report a video just for being inauthentic under general guidelines, YouTube now mandates that creators check a box labeling their content as altered or synthetic if it's AI generated. If you spot obvious AI slop and it's missing that official label, they are violating policy. You can exploit this reporting loophole and actually report that specific video as spam, which directly helps YouTube's team hunt down and demonetize these counterfeit channels.
Section 5. Proving human authenticity. So, how do we fix this permanently moving forward? Reporting spam is a great band-aid, but we need a structural cure. First, we definitely have to remember that AI isn't inherently evil. In fact, the source used AI to write the code for the very tool that discovered these massive slop farms in the first place. Using AI as a mechanical tool, like generating code, which you then verify and use, is entirely legitimate. The danger only pops up when we completely abdicate the final creative product to a machine and then try to pass it off as human expression.
The long-term, industry-wide solution requires creating a digital chain of custody. Think of it kind of like a cryptographic receipt for your footage. In the near future, cameras will digitally sign the video the moment you hit record, proving it's real. Then your editing software logs exactly how that footage was modified. Ultimately, this creates an unbroken, mathematical proof that shows viewers exactly how much genuine human effort actually went into the final product.
But until that technology becomes the standard, the real power lies with you. As the slop economy grows and algorithms constantly tempt you with endless automated content, you have a choice to make. Are you going to actively seek out and support true human authenticity, or are you just going to quietly consume the slop?